Congratulations! We are thrilled that you've taken the leap and registered for our transformative live 90-minute workshop called the One-Page Plan. Most people who want to complete a business plan are optimistic about their future. They have ideas about what they want to sell, who their customers could be, and some ideas on the methods to achieve success. Ultimately, their goal is to make money while considering the cost of marketing, selling, and producing their product or service. However, this process can be overwhelming, causing many people to get stuck due to a fear of making wrong decisions or leaving out critical information. Consequently, their plan remains unwritten and unexecuted. And that's because they forget to make a plan for the person who will both carry out the plan and direct others to assist. Our one-page plan simplifies this process and provides laser-focused clarity. You will have a clear understanding of what you're selling, who your target audience is, and what sets you apart from the competitors. We will assist you in quantifying the time and the money required for implementation, giving you a realistic expectation of profits if you consistently execute your plan. But we'll also help you to establish a personal motto for yourself, identify obstacles you'll come up against, and define the cost of not accomplishing your plan. You will have an understanding of the exact impact on both you and your business. We know that you're excited about preparing your plan. However, our goal is to ensure that you are enthusiastic about implementing it. In our incredible workshop, we'll deliver all of this to you in 90 minutes or less. To prepare for the workshop, make sure to check below the items that you may need to have ready for you. Congratulations on committing to the workshop, and we look forward to seeing you then.